Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cash App Direct Deposit. Let's get started. Before we begin, you might be wondering, is direct deposit safe with Cash App? The answer is yes. Funds in your Cash App are FDIC insured, which is a crucial security feature for any account where you keep your money. Now, to set up direct deposit, you first need to be on the main home page of the Cash App. From there, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Banking tab. This is the icon on the bottom left. It might show your current balance or look like a small bank building. Tapping that will take you to the banking screen. Now, scroll down until you see the option that says Direct Deposit. Go ahead and select it. It's important to know that to use direct deposit, you need to have ordered and activated your free Cash App debit card. If you haven't done that yet, you'll need to complete that step first. Once you're on the direct deposit screen, you'll see a few options. Cash App offers benefits like getting your paycheck up to 2 days early and free ATM withdrawals when you qualify. For the setup itself, you have two main paths. If your employer uses a service like ADP, you might see an option for automatic setup. You can tap that and just follow the prompts to connect your payroll account directly. If automatic setup isn't available, you can do it manually. The screen will display your unique Cash App routing and account numbers. You can copy these details to provide to your employer through their online portal. Alternatively, you can tap Fill Out Form to get a pre-filled PDF direct deposit form. You can then download this form and send it directly to your company's HR or payroll department. Once you've provided this information to your employer, the setup is complete on your end. It may take 1 or 2 pay cycles for the direct deposit to become active. After that, your payments will be deposited securely and directly into your Cash App balance.